Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to solve simultaneous linear equation. Kindly hit the subscribe button so that I can be in your faces every week. The aim of this tutorial video is to use substitution method to solve simultaneous linear equation. The graphical method is time consuming and is sometimes inaccurate. It is quicker and more accurate to use an algebraic method to solve simultaneous linear equation. So get your pen and paper out and let's learn something. Without further ado, let's continue. Okay, all right. We are going to solve the simultaneous linear equation, and I am going to use the substitution method. Now, do not forget to use the substitution method. You have to make sure that the coefficient of one of the unknowns in the given equation is 1. Let's get to business. I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, all right. So we have the equation here. The equation says solve the equations 2x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals to 2. I said use this method when the coefficient of one of the unknowns in the given equation is 1. Now look at it here. You have 2x plus y equals 7. Now the x here, the coefficient is what? 2. And then the x here, the coefficient is what? 1. So we use substitution method when any of these equations, if the value of the unknown is 1, that is, if the coefficient of the unknown is 1, then this method is best used. Okay, all right. So now to solve this mathematics, what do we do? The first thing to do is we write out the equations one below the other and then label the equations 1 and 2. I'm going to show you. Watch. Bam. So this is 2x plus y equals 7, and then you have x minus y equals to 2. So I'm going to label 2x plus y equals 7 equation 1 and then x minus y equation 2. Okay, just follow me one after the other. Okay, so now the next thing it says from equation 2 we should do what? We should make x the subject of the formula. Okay, so now when you make x the subject of the formula from equation 2, it becomes x equals 2 plus y. Okay, you know, when the y goes into the other side, it becomes a positive y. Okay, so that is how we arrive at x equals 2 plus y. Okay, and then we label it equation 3. Okay, bam. Now it says substitute x in equation what? 1. And do not forget here, x, the value of x equals 2 plus y. So anywhere we see x in equation 1, we are going to fix 2 plus y. Now, what do we have here? We have 2 into brackets 2 plus y equals what? 7. Now, if you look at equation 1, which says 2x plus y equals 7. Okay, so wherever we see this x, we are fixing 2 plus y. Okay, all right. Now, what are we going to do here? We are going to collect like terms and we are going to open the brackets. So we clear the brackets and collect like terms. Okay, so it becomes 2 times 2 gives 4 plus 2 times plus y gives 2y, and then plus y equals to 7. Okay, so we are going to collect like terms here, and then we have 4 plus 3y equals to 7. Okay, so when you have 4 plus 3y equals 7, and we make, because we are looking for y, so we have to, you know, bring out the 3y. We bring it out here, and then we move 4 into the other side, which becomes a minus 4. You know, this 4 is a positive number, so when it comes to the other side, it becomes a what? Minus 4. And then when you take 4 from 7, it becomes 3, and that's why we have 3y equals to 3. So what do we do here? We divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which eventually gives me what? Y equals to 1. Boom. This is very simple. Okay, so we are going to substitute. You know, we've gotten what? Our y. We've gotten our y. So we want to get our what? X. We want to solve for x now. So what are we going to do? We're going to substitute the value of 1 for y in equation 3. Don't forget that y equals to what? 1 here. So we're going to solve for the value of 1 for y in equation 3. So x equals to 2 plus y. That's our equation 3. Don't forget from this place. Okay, you see x equals to 2 plus y equals to 3. And don't forget that y here is what? 1. So we are going to solve for it now. So x equals to 2 plus the value of y, which is 1, and that gives us what? X equals 3. So x equals 3 and y equals what? 1. It is very, very what? Simple. Now, if you want to run a check, you know, to be sure if you have you know, you've done the right thing, and then there is no, you know, there is no error or anything, so we can run checks like this. Now, how do we run checks? For example, from equation 1, it says 2x plus y equals what? 7. Don't forget, I strategically removed the 7 here because we want to see if, you know, fixing those values into what we have here, if it will give us 7. Okay, so 2x plus y equals what? Equals, we don't know, but if it gives us 7, then we're very what? Correct. So what is x? X is what? 3. And then what is y? Y equals what? 1. Okay, so let's see. 2 times 3 plus 1, that gives me what? 7. So we're very what? Correct. And let's solve for equation 2 too. Let's see if x minus y equals, if x minus y equals the correct answer. Let's see if it works that way. So let's see, x equals 3, y equals what? 1, and then the value is what? 2. Okay, so now we've run checks, and then we've gotten our answer. This is a simple way to solve simultaneous linear equation using the substitution method. I believe you all understood this. It is very simple. Try and you know, get questions and then use this method. Follow the video exactly the way I have done it. I am sure you're going to get the answer. Now, do not forget that this method is used when the coefficient of one of the unknowns in any of the given equation is 1. You do well to get the answer. Thank you very much, guys. I believe what I've just taught you now, or what I've shown to you now, how to calculate simultaneous linear equation using the substitution method. I want you to do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please share the video, make comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.